Interrogation partner, what go on?
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kissy Unstoppable. Happy New Year again, everyone. Happy New Year, and thank you all for the support. Your 2022. Thank you guys so much, and continue to support. Anyways, this is part 2 of the video with the Jamaican man in Mexico. He's telling his part of the story, what taking place. So he said he have to break the glass to defend himself, and he said after he got by his passport, he run and they jump at him allegedly. They jump at him and they beat him up allegedly. They kick him up allegedly. They kick him up allegedly. So he said they lock him up, and nobody see that part of the video for 2 days. Allegedly, they kick him up, beat him up. And he said after 2 days they put him back on the flight. They come and say, Jamaica, you're going home. And they put him back on the flight back to Jamaica. That was easy. But to me, when I watch the video, regardless, him should have maintained him composure still. You know, people head at still and ignorant still. But you're in a country where you know says not everybody knows that country they kind of, you understand, and it could be worse. You understand, the outcome could be worse. But to God be the glory, back in Jamaica telling his story. So guys, I'm gonna go over and listen to what this young man has to say. Allegedly, everything that I said is allegedly. I wasn't there. So guys, let's go over and watch the video. Bye guys. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also put on your post notification so you know each time I upload a video. Let's go over.
Yeah, because them say them send me back home. I'm going to say enough people I got through and sitting and they have my paper and my thing, them everything legit, and I'm just pissed off.
Yeah, more people in the room too, though?
Yeah.
Alright, how you don't know? You lose your cool.
Yeah.
Because you see them hold on for your thing.
No, they must say me I'll go back home. I
Yeah.
just get pissed off. I don't know what to do.
You feel like if you hold it a bit more, like that, relax a bit more, you could have a chance to go through?
I think so.
Yeah, but you don't lose your cool.
I just lose it.
Where you start to know? Start kick, yeah. Show me.
I'm going to say one glass kick up, I realize that, fuck it.
I hit this.
Yeah, I'm going to start for 2 more, you know. I'm going to say everybody start get timid and like the boy. So I take up a piece of glass for myself, defend myself.
Yeah.
And make my way out through the door and then I back off. So I saw me come out and my sister make a run.
Alright, question. You get back your passport when your passport you get back?
No, I
It's a person, the video could show that the person get it.
No, it's a death on the death.
Oh, and next day we never see. Oh.
I need to keep my cool, I think. But I said, come for your thing and go on the road, don't it?
Yeah.
Right on the death there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I realized that probably to lose my cool now, I fuck the whole thing up.
Yeah, man.
Then just kick out and I said, I have to take up the glass to defend myself.
But hurted, not feel no way. Every man deserve a chance. I say it go.
Yeah,
you see me? Yeah, man. Alright? Big up hurted.